Hi, if you are new to Canvas, it takes a bit of time to get used to the platform. So this is a quick tutorial of how to get you into the class. The first thing you'll do is click on your dashboard, and your dashboard will show you all the classes that you are enrolled in. And the class you'll see looking for my course is 3D design. Then you'll go ahead and click on that class and you will see a welcome announcement from me. And these announcements will change, and then you'll see modules that will open up after the announcement. But you can also just click straight on modules. And when you go to modules, it will show you what is required of you for each week of the class. So here we have Module 1, Week 1, Getting Started. So you want to go through these pages sequentially. This is the welcome page, and there's a lot of great information on here. There are videos you can click on. That's where you're finding my welcome video and how to navigate through the class. At the bottom of the window, the screen, you'll see the word next, and that will take you to the next page in the module. So that will be how you navigate the course each week, is you go through page by page, and all the information will be right there for you. It's like your textbook. So I'm going to take us back to modules because right now we're not going to go through all the pages together, but I do want you to see there's a very important, your Canvas preferences. This is so that you get your emails. One thing that happens is Ohlone requires you to have an ohlone.edu email, but typically you already have an email. A lot of people use Gmail or Yahoo or whatever system they're using. They can have their ohlone.edu email go to their personal email, so you don't have to click on ohlone.edu to receive your announcements from me. You also want to set your preferences so that when I do send an announcement, it doesn't wait until Friday for you to receive it. You want to receive them right away. I send announcements that are reminders about assignments or extra credits or new information that is in the news about art. Please make sure to go through all of these pages. There's a how-to guide for Canvas, and you'll find at the end of each module, you'll find a You Made It page, and that You Made It page will go over everything that you were supposed to do in that module. It's a kind of checklist to make sure that you've done everything you were supposed to do for the week. Now, module 1, this is the only module that's like this, but there are actually 3 sections. They're split up because they're different topics for you to go over. There's just a lot to know in the very beginning of school about supplies you need and what's required of you in the class, how to deal with technology, etc. And then after going through all those logistics, then you'll start really diving into art. You'll see that you'll also see the dates of each of these modules. And on the right-hand side of the screen, when the assignments are posted, you'll also see assignments that come up, and it'll show when those are due. So this is just a quick tutorial. The other thing before I go is that you'll notice there's a cyber cafe for students. This is a place where students can go and ask each other questions or say, hey, have you worked with this before? It's not a place to contact me. It's a place to contact other peers in your class. And finally, on this green dashboard, there is this question mark, and this is for help, and it references a lot of things that have to do with Canvas. Also, it shows you a hotline for students. That is a really important phone number. So when you have a problem with Canvas, I'm not your Canvas expert. Canvas is actually your expert. I'm your art expert. So if you're working on something at 11 o'clock at night and you can't get into Canvas, then you can call them for help. If you're interested in contacting me, then you can click on your inbox and press this icon here, and you'll be able to select a course and your teachers for that class. So you can send an email to me that way if you have a question about your art and need help. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have other questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask.